Hello to you. I'm Dorothy the Organizer from the TV show Hoarders, and guess what? I wound up taking a clinic with Julie Goodnight, who is an international clinician, and I want to say horsewoman, but you know, it's not just about working with the horses, it's working with the people on the horses more so.
Absolutely.
Right? So I've had a great class here. I'm just going to give you one tip about organizing, or ask Julie to share a little bit about horses and organizing. But you know, I find when I'm organizing, it's not just getting the whole place clear and set up and organized and then expecting it to be great all of the time. You have to be persistent and consistent each and every day, little bits to stay organized. And I'm curious, I saw a few things over the weekend with you, but can you just share what it's like with horses and being persistent?
Absolutely. Horses are a unique animal in that they're very keen on a person's level of determination, their persistence, their consistency. All of that is really important to a horse, and they always do better in the presence of someone who is persistent, who is determined, and consistently comes to the horse in the same way every day.
The same way every day, like a routine. So if you want to be organized with your horse or just in your home or office, these are the tips from Julie Goodnight and Dorothy the Organizer. And Julie, before we go, how can folks find out about your clinics and or your videos? Because I am loving them.
You can visit juliegoodnight.com, and all the information you'll need, my updated schedules, lots of training resources, educational resources. I do clinics all over the country and internationally, so we keep that information updated regularly. You can also visit me on Facebook at Julie Goodnight Horsemanship, and come join in the fun.
Perfect. Julie, thank you so much.
You're welcome.